All right, welcome back. Now we're on to the next three exercises to reset the body. If you're a person who sits a lot in a chair, in your office, on a couch, this is a good exercise that you can do anytime during the day. Uh, right when you roll out of bed in the morning, uh, in between lunch breaks, or something of that nature. So let's get started. Now, this one is a bit more challenging for most people. And this is just basically you're going to shift your weight to one side and pull your knee up as high as you can go. And we're going to start with rotating the ankles and rotate it around 6 to 10 times, and then rotate it back the other way, just the ankles. Good. Okay, now put that foot down, shift the weight to the other side, and let's do the ankles on the other leg. If you fall out of it, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and get right back into it. Okay, good. And then we're going to shift the weight again. And now this time we're going to, while we're holding the knee, we're going to just rotate from the knee joint about 6 to 10 times in one direction, and then go back in the other direction. Don't worry about it. If you lose your balance, just get right back into it. And it won't always be that way. You'll develop the balance over time. Now we work on this side, do this knee around 6 to 10 times, and then rotate back the other way. Okay, now we're going to work up to the hips. Shift the weight back, and you're going to do big circles from the hip joint. We'll do 6 to 10 on this side, and then we reverse. Now, this might be the most challenging set of exercises for many if you have never worked on your balance before. And we'll switch to the other side. Now, these first few mobility uh, exercises are to kind of loosen up the soft tissue and the joints, get them lubricated. So when we do our crane stance, there's no resistance. All right. Okay, now the crane stance, I'll do it from this way. So you're going to, if you're standing with your feet just outside your shoulders, you're going to shift your weight to one side, lift your leg about parallel to the ground, and then you're going to inhale, take a big inhale. And as you push the feet out, or the foot, you're going to push the arms out simultaneously. All right, so you're going to inhale, exhale, hold it, and then come back. Inhale, exhale. And then just repeat that a few times. And we'll do one more time and come back. And then we'll come back. Okay. Now I'll do it from the front view. So you shift to one leg, inhale, and kick out. And come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, last one, and exhale. If you lose your balance, just get right back into it. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, this next one, shift back to the other leg. You're gonna come up, you're gonna kick out, hold. Now you're gonna bring the leg back and cross it over the knee. And you're gonna sink as low as you can go comfortably and push out as you exhale. And come back up and push out as you lower, sink low as you can while maintaining your balance and exhale. And again, take your time. You don't have to go that low. We just want to work on our balance and focus. And one more time. And you hold it. Now from this position, you're going to go and place your hands in prayer above the head. Take a few breaths here. Now, bring the prayer down to the center of your body. Now, straighten the standing leg. Extend the arms forward. And let's keep working on our balance. We're going to be, if you remember the hitting the drum while you're on the horse. This is like the hitting the drum while you're in the crane stance. Again, this gets the blood flowing throughout the body. Do that about 6 rounds, still maintaining your balance, and then finish up. Now, I'll show you from the side. We're going to shift to the other leg and do the other side. So we'll come up, inhale, exhale. Now we'll bring the leg back and cross over. And then we sink and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now from here, raise the arms above the head into a prayer. Maintain your balance for a few breaths. Now you're going to straighten the leg up, bring the knee up, bring the prayer down to the middle of the body, and push out. And now we're going to play our drum. You fall out, just get right back in. Okay. And then we'll finish up here. So that was a bit challenging, but it's good for balance. And you'll get a good workout from that. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you again next time.